Hi, my name is Madeline, and today I'm going to show you how to do a French fishtail braid. So for the fishtail braid, you're going to go ahead and just take two sections. You're going to start by taking little pieces of the outer sides and just bringing them towards the center. After about two sections of weaving that hair through, you're going to just go ahead and start adding additional hair every time you bring it under. The smaller sections you take, the more messy and piecey you can pull apart the braid at the end. I'm just going to put a loose band on the end until you go ahead and pull the braid apart.